What is up? This is going to be a trade recap for 18th of March 2025. Let's get. So, what was I looking at coming to the market, right? So, let's keep it that way. So, clearly, we are pushing down. 15-minute time frame looking completely bearish. As you can see, we are inversing multiple fair value gaps right here. This is one, two, three, and then four, a big one, five. So on top of it, we are creating breakaway gaps, blah, 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 multiple breakup structure right there, another break structure. So completely we are going down for sure. So that's the main reason why we're bearish today. So on top of it, when I came into the market, I really didn't think that the price is going to like do much in New York session, but I was hoping that the price would take this low, and that was my target, right? So right here, once market opened, right there. So I was expecting the price to dump, probably inverse this fair value gap, and then keep continuing down, right? So I was not expecting the price to go up and probably create a price action over there and then come back down, right? So simple as that. I was waiting for the price to sweep a high or this low. Probably if the price would have swept this low, I would have probably waited for a market structure shift and then uh would have buyed until would have had a buy entry until this intermediate high right there. And also that aligns up with 15-minute fair value gap right there. On top of it, probably 5 minutes fair value gap too. It's right there. So that high aligns up with 5 minutes fair value gap. So I was not expecting much for the price to do, or I was not expecting the price to go higher. But anyways, I was waiting for that high to get swept. Didn't even take it straight off there. Look at that. Beautiful. I literally dodged the manipulation move. So I probably might have looked, I was looking for a sell entry right there. But there's one thing was at least let's wait for an internal high sweep, right? Like, yeah. So once that happened, I waited for a market structure shift and a fair value gap that got inversed. So once this bullish fair value gap got inversed, I just did one thing and waited for this low to get taken out. So once the price did that, I ended up taking a trade and then targeting 1:1. Nothing crazy. I was actually one thing. Holy shit. I keep forgetting that I have a mic and I have to speak on that. So, anyways, so I was not expecting much, but the price to dump. But so right here, this was my take profit. 1:3 or 1:4. So I had three contracts in, so nothing crazy. I wasn't drawn on for a bit, but I was hoping that this high would definitely get protected because as you can see, we are sweeping a liquidity high right there, creating a high, and then as you can see, this is clear liquidity sweep, internal high, and then we got a market structure shift, blah blah blah, and inversion. Everything goes to the higher time frame model right there. Damn, bro, come on, bro, right there. So we are actually pushing down, so keep that in mind. So once this fair value gap happened, after seeing that high stop run right there, a manipulation happened, and I was expecting the price to go lower, and I was so confident that this trade is gonna hit my take profit. I initially had my stop loss over, take profit over there to the London low, but once market open high has been swept, which is right there, and then I was not expecting the price to do much because But yep, anyways, as you can see, this was my target. Candle open, close, and then boom. Once my take profit got smashed, started pushing down even more. So I was happy about this trade. Let me just show this execution, right? So this is where, okay, this is where my account sits right now. Beautiful. Uh, yeah, I was happy that all the patience worked out. Like I was actually looking for an entry right here, but I just wanted more and more confidence, probably an inversion, a liquidity sweep. Waited for that, and once this high has been taken off, I mean, once this low has been taken, I break even my trade. So rest is history. So I made $300 on this day, which is also a good thing. And I'm not gonna say my P&L from now on. I'm not gonna care about my P&L. It's only going to be executions, and that alone is going to be in my head. So that's about it. And I am out. So as always, it's all. I mean, I didn't show my execution, right? Let me go ahead. Pictures, probably some downloads. Hopefully, shows some execution marks right there. There's my entry, and then exit. Nothing much. So as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. Always spread love. Always. Just be patient with people, whoever it might be. No one is your enemy. So just keep spreading love. Don't lose your cool. And that's about it. And yep, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. And I am out. Adios.